Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Experience the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of March, 2025, our system has classified Meta as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.29. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently, it reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is positioned in the lower range of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, suggesting this may present a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $599.44 be breached, it would initially signal a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it could also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 12.45% over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 11.28% to 41.07%. In terms of the longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 39.46%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 35.02% and 72.76% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price between $817.84 and $1,046.41. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Meta Stock Price After Tuesday Trading. The Meta stock price increased by 1.29% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, rising from $597.99 to $605.71. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.41%, with a day low of $594.66 and a day high of $614.93. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, down by 7.88% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 17 million shares bought and sold for approximately $10.49 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $740.89, while the lowest price was $414.50. Currently, the price sits at 18.25%, or $135.18, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is capturing attention as the technology sector experiences a correction. Recently, the Nasdaq Composite has seen a decline of 10% from its recent peak, signaling caution for many investors. Amidst this volatility, Meta remains a central focus, as highlighted in recent investment discussions that rank it among the leading stocks for future growth. A notable development for the company is the testing of its first in-house artificial intelligence training chip, a significant step that indicates Meta's move towards greater independence from suppliers such as NVIDIA. This strategic choice could enhance its operational efficiency and innovation in artificial intelligence capabilities, potentially strengthening its position in the market. However, regulatory scrutiny continues to be a significant concern, with reports suggesting that the European Union is likely to impose fines on Meta for alleged violations of antitrust regulations. Although these fines are anticipated to be modest, they serve as a reminder of the persistent regulatory challenges that can influence stock performance. In the short term, the correction in the technology sector may present a buying opportunity for investors who have confidence in Meta's long-term potential and its ability to effectively utilize artificial intelligence technology. Nevertheless, the company's success will heavily rely on its ability to navigate regulatory landscapes and sustain its competitive advantage amid growing concerns regarding sustainability in the growth of the technology sector. As the market adapts, Meta's innovations and the outcomes of regulatory scrutiny will be pivotal in shaping investor confidence and stock pricing in both the near and distant future. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 10, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.29%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored closely. Additionally, some negative signals were issued, which could influence the near-term outlook. The Meta stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative forecast. A general sell signal is also present due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. Should there be corrections upward, resistance will be encountered at the levels of $629.83 and $674.43. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger new buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is presently indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 143 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $597.99. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and given the solid trading volume, the risk is considered medium. In the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by $20.28, which is a change of 3.41%. Over the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 4.14%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with established track records or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $5.60. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $659.88. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, Meta faces its first support level at $597.99. If this support level holds, it might present a solid entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of March, 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 921 shares of Class A common stock. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Olivon Javier conducted an insider sale of 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 28th of February, 2025, Cox Christopher K. conducted an insider sale of 400 shares of Class A common stock. On the 28th of February, 2025, Cox Christopher K. conducted another insider sale of 300 shares of Class A common stock. On the 28th of February, 2025, Cox Christopher K. conducted yet another insider sale of 200 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 53.583. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 46,422 shares and sold 155,393 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $572.34, reflecting a decrease of 5.51%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta displays several concerning indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it is advisable to consider it a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Our assessment has been updated from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion since the last evaluation. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 12th of March, we anticipate that Meta will open lower by approximately 609 thousandths of a dollar, beginning at $605.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.